Alright, what's going on, people? So finally manual swapping this thing, bro. It's just kind of lit. I'm not gonna lie to you, we weren't gonna start until this weekend, but I'm impatient. So we're pulling the clutch assembly out and everything. We already got it out. We got the original one out and been looking at videos on YouTube and stuff. I'm not gonna lie, dude, they make this stuff seem so much easier than what it is. Like, this was not easy to pull out. It took us like 2 hours to get this thing out, dude. I swear to God, dude, it was insane. But with trial and error, we managed to get it out, and pretty stoked about it. So let me turn this fan off so that it's a little easier to hear. Okay, so opened the car, took the seat out, it's right there. So to get this bad boy back in there, you gotta fit this thing through all of this shit, bro. Like, we've tried to pull this thing down a little bit to try to help that. It looks like it's gonna help a little bit, but you gotta get that thing all the way in there, man. And on ours, we have these like 2 studs right here. And on the new clutch pedal assembly, this is, you know, obviously this is how it sits on there. And where those 2 studs are at, we only have 1 hole for it. So that means I had to stop what I was doing. Gotta wait for my pops to come back so we can drill this hole right here, because I don't have the shit to do it. And you can see on the back side, it's like it's got a spot for it right there. But on this side, it does not. So we gotta fix that thing and get that thing right before you can put this thing back in there. But yeah, this video is gonna be pretty short. I don't know if I want to do a series on it. I don't know if it'll help in any way to get some traction on this platform. I doubt it, because there's a couple videos about it already. But like I said, man, if anybody watches this that's planning on doing this, I'm just gonna say that this shit is not easy at all, man. This, man, dude, they make it seem so easy online, dude. Any other video you watch, dude, it's just like, oh, like they're so happy and stuff. It's just like, yeah, just do this, pull this pin out, make sure not to lose this, and you'll be good. You know, you don't have to drop the steering column or anything. It's just like, oh, okay, well, that sounds fantastic, man. We go to do it, and it's just like, huh, it's not so fucking easy. Dude, it took us 2 hours. 2 hours to take this out. 2 hours. I love the car, though. We're going to get it done, and whether or not I'm going to make a little series on this, update y'all on what's actually, like, because we're not real mechanics or anything. Like, we know what we're doing to a certain degree, but we're not qualified for it. So maybe it might be a good thing to record this and post it up to really give y'all like a realistic experience on what it's like to deal with something like this. So yeah, I'm not gonna keep this running for too long. Just let me know what y'all want to see on this thing. If y'all want to see anything on it, if y'all want to see like a little series, I might title this part 1 or something, manual swap part 1, whatever, regardless. But yeah, just y'all holler at me if you want to see some more stuff. Put it in the comments. I'm also thinking about possibly doing some videos with like the bikes and stuff. We like to ride a lot. I got a GoPro, the mount broke, but you know, we got some toys, we got some stuff, we got some funness, we got some cool stuff here. So I need to figure out what's going on with this bad boy. The 4-wheel drive stopped working the last time we took it out. But yeah, if y'all want to see some stuff about these things too, let me know, because these things are pretty fun, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, I'm not gonna, like I said, I ain't gonna hold you guys up for too long. I'm not gonna waste your time watching my boring ass talk. Man, it almost took me out. But yeah, like I said, put in the comments if you got any ideas, if you got any tips and tricks to making this swap go easier. I'm gonna talk to you guys on the next one. Peace out.